Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have Koder installed and a project folder ready. Now open Koder and tap the folder icon to import your project from files. Once done, create a new file using the plus button, name it with the correct extension like HTML or JS, and choose the syntax highlighting. Make sure to pin the folder for quick access. This speeds up switching between files. You'll notice line numbers and basic autocomplete appear. Use them to avoid typos and speed editing. Now focus on efficient editing. Open a file and enable split view to compare HTML and CSS side by side, then drag tabs to reorganize workspace. Next, go to Settings and adjust Theme, tab size, and enable linting for your language so Koder flags syntax issues as you type. Use the file switcher to jump between files and run find/replace with regex for bulk edits. These steps reduce context switching and help you maintain consistent formatting across the. Finish by previewing and exporting. Open the preview to test HTML locally or export the project as a zip to share. If you use Git, link your repository through a supported service or use Files Sync to push changes. Make sure files are saved, tap Save or rely on autosave when editing, then test in Safari for mobile-specific behavior. If something goes wrong, check files and network permissions first, then force quit and reopen Koder. This resolves most sync or preview hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.